Now going to discuss about the art and culture. Nagar, Dravid and Besar. So first one is Nagar, Dravid and Besar. Nagar, Dravid and Besar. So the three main style of Indian temple architecture. They are the temple architecture. They are the three main style of temple architecture. Mughal school of painting formed the spinal column. Vedic school. Which of the following style affected the Mughal painting? So Mughal painting जो थी इससे कौन सी पेंटिंग अफेक्टेड थी? तो दैट वाज द कालीघाट की पेंटिंग. ओके, सो राजस्थानी पेंटिंग जो थी दैट वाज नॉट गॉट द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ द मुगल. तो इसमें से कौन सी पेंटिंग थी जो नॉट अफेक्टेड थी? तो कालीघाट की थी, दैट वाज नॉट अफेक्टेड. रेस्ट अगर हम पहाड़ी पेंटिंग की बात करें, राजस्थानी पेंटिंग की बात करें और कांगड़ा, all of three are affected with the Mughal style of the painting. Okay, which of the following temple figure in the news and that was the institution of Devadasi? So Devadasi के जो इंस्टीट्यूट है that was in the Jagannath temple and it is in the Puri, Odisha. Okay, so that was the Jagannath and the worship of the deity and it was for the worship of the deity. Okay, now next one is in the context of ancient India, which one of the following term does not belong to the category of other three? So Kosa is different one, otherwise the and Vamsa, Vamsa and Gotra all are same. Next, which is the following sculpture is green schist in the medium? That was Barhut sculpture. Barhut sculpture and it is in the green schist. This is in the green schist. Okay, Mauryan king Ashoka 3rd century. It represents some earliest example of the Buddhist and green schist में बनाया. The Apabramsa, and that was early form of some modern Indian languages. Abrans is a language. Which of the following was the Shaiva sect in ancient India? That was none of the above. So Ajivika, if I am talking about the Ajivikas are heterodox. They are heterodox, and they believe in the fatalism, and it was the founded Makhli Ghoshal. And now, what in the following text was this ancient India allowed the divorce of a wife? That was the अर्थशास्त्र. तो अर्थशास्त्र जो है, अर्थशास्त्र इसमें डिवोर्स ऑफ द वाइफ को अभी मेंशन कर रखा है. ठीक है. और नेक्स्ट इज नकल. नकल इज करेक्टली मीन्स दैट वाज इन द बिहार. सो नकल and Nakal. Okay, Nakal is a folk theatre of Bihar. Folk theatre. It was the folk theatre of Bihar. ये कहाँ है? बिहार में है. ये यहाँ का थिएटर है. तमाशा जो है ये महाराष्ट्र में है. तमाशा दैट इज इन महाराष्ट्र. एंड अंकिया नाट जो होता है वो असम में होता है. अंकिया नाट एंड इट इज इन असम. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट गुरु अर्जुन देव. विच इज द फॉलोइंग इज मेज्ड. सो गुरु अर्जुन देव जो थे, गुरु अर्जुन देव, he was the written the Adi Granth. He written the Adi Granth. And Guru Govind Singh founded the Khalsa Panth. Govind Singh that was found the Khalsa Panth, compiled the commentary of the Granth called the Deswan Padsha. Now Pampa was the Kannada. Okay, Pampa is related to the Kannada. So the Pampa wrote the Kannada version of the Mahabharata and he is regarded the father of Kannada poetry. Tikna wrote the Telugu version. Tikna ने क्या लिखा था? तेलुगु वर्जन लिखा था. So Tikna wrote the Telugu version and Mahabharata. Now next one is which of the following dance involved the solo performance? That was the Bharatnatyam. So solo किया जाता है जो डांस. Which dance done the solo? That was the Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam जो है वो सोलो ही किया जाता है. ठीक है. It is the belongs to Tamil Nadu. The next one is the वराहमिहिर जो थी इसने लिखा था ब्रज संहिता. विशाख दत्त ने लिखी थी देवी चंद्रगुप्तम और शूद्रक ने लिखा था मृच्छकटिकम. बिल्हन ने लिखा था विक्रम देवाचरित्र. नेक्स्ट वन इज मृच्छकटिकम. मृच्छकटिकम जो शूद्रक ने लिखी है और मुद्रा राक्षस ये विशाख दत्त ने लिखी है और हर्ष चरित्र बाणभट्ट ने. बुद्ध चरित्र दैट वाज वसु बंधु दैट इज नॉट ट्रू. तो नेक्स्ट है कि कोरकू. कोरकू क्या है? कोरकू है Korku is related to the MP, not to the Maharashtra. So Korku is the community which are living in the MP Betul and Chhindwara. छिंदवाड़ा में रहते हैं ये कम्युनिटी है, ये कोरकू कम्युनिटी. Now Neel Darpan was played based on the exploitation of indigo farmers, so that is true. Author was the Ghasiram Kotwal, was the Vijay Tendulkar, true. And Navana by the Naveen Chandra Das was based on the famine in Bengal. Urdu theatre was used the Parsi. So Urdu theatre was not used the Parsi. Actually, Urdu theatre began the number of the musical composition. Earliest was the Raha. That was Urdu. Next, the first Indian War of Independence that was in the Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, V.D. Savarkar. And that was the first war of independence. Okay, first war of independence. And Anand Math. So Anand Math was from the Bankim Chand and Chatterjee. Bankim Chand Chatterjee, he written the Anand Math. And Life Divine Rabindranath Tagore, Life Divine, that was written by the Rabindranath Tagore. And next one is the Sadhana. Sadhana was Sir Aurobindo. Sadhana was written by the Sir Aurobindo. Okay. The painting of the Rabindranath Tagore was classified into the, that was impressionist. So impressionist painting, and that was written by the Rabindranath and Tagore. Now Pandit Vishnu Digambar, that was wrote the music on the Vande Mataram. So Vande and Mataram, that was wrote by the Vishnu and Digambar. And Venkata Mahi was introduction of the ragas, and that was Venkata Mahi. And the Sham Shastri proposed the Karnataka music, and that was by the Sham Shastri. And Amir Khusro, he was the prophet of the Khayal. So Amir Khusro, and he was the prophet of the Khayal. The first feature film of the Talki to be introduced, Alam Ara. So Alam Ara was the first feature film. It was first feature film, and the name was the Alam Ara. Raja Harishchandra was the first feature film of the silent, and Dada Saheb Phalke prize was given to this. The Ahem and Param poem was the group form a continuation of Sangam. Yes, they were introduced under the post Sangam. तो ये post Sangam में नहीं आई थी, earlier Sangam में ही आई थी Ahem and Param poems. Balamurthy and Krishna. Balamurthy Krishna was the Carnatic and the vocal. Okay, vocal. Next was the Meeta Pandit And Meeta Pandit was came the Hindustani vocal. She was came with the Hindustani and vocal. And Kanyakumari, that was violin. Kanyakumari related to the violin, and Nikhil Banerjee, he was related to the sitar. So Nikhil Banerjee related to the sitar. Sita Swambar, that was actually Gidda was a Jabar Patel, that is wrong. Bhakti Itihas, it was the Badar Sarkar. Sita Swambar, that was Vishnu Das Bhave, and the Yayati, that was Girish Karnad. Raga, which is sung early morning, जो early morning में होता है, that is known as Todi. So Raga, which is sung in the early morning, that is known as the Todi. Rag Beam is the sung in the daytime. Rag Beam in the daytime. Okay, and Rag Darbari in the night time. Rag Darbari in the night time. Darbari in the night time. Now consider about the Chakira Kuttu. Chakira Kuttu. So Chakira Kuttu, it was performed by the Chakir caste. Chakir caste. It was performed by the Chakir caste. Okay, and that was cannot be traditionally witnessed the higher caste Hindu. That is okay. Mijahu was the composing instrument, that is not true, and it is stated from the called the Kuttam Balam. Kuttam Balam in the Kerala, and that was the Mijavu is accomplishing the instrument Mijavu. Mijavu, that is not true in this. Hoysala instrument, that was halibut of the Belur. So halibut of the Belur, and they are in the Hoysala. Hoysala, okay. So this the monuments of the halibut, and that was the Indian Empire ruled most of the modern day Karnataka. It was between the Karnataka 10 centuries, 10 to 14th century, and this is initially located in the Belur. Now next one is Arya Samaj was founded. Okay, so Arya Samaj, it was founded in the 1875, and Lala Lajpat Rai opposed the Arya Samaj. Vedas ko no, he never opposed. Under the Keshav Chandra Sen, the Brahma Samaj campaigned for the women. Brahma Samaj was campaign for again for the women. Yes, सही है. And Vinoba Bhave founded as the Sarvodaya. So Sarvodaya was founded by the Vinoba Bhave. Vinoba and Bhave. Okay. Now, in which of the following city the Lingaraj temple is located? So Lingaraj temple, and that was located in the Bhubaneswar. In the Bhubaneswar, and it was the Lingaraj temple that was in the Odisha. This temple is Hindu temple dedicated to the Harihara. Kalinga architecture, it was made up of the Kalinga architecture and the medieval stage of the architecture tradition of the Bhubaneswar. Who among the following Englishmen first translated Bhagavad Gita to the English? So Gita into the English. Gita को किसमें English में किसने translate किया था first time? It was Charles Wilkins. Charles Wilkins was the person who converted the Bhagavad Gita into the English. Which of the following animal was not represented terracotta of the Harappa? So that was tiger was not represented in the terracotta of the Sindhu Ghati, like Harappa. So tiger was not in that. Next one is Kalam Keshav Vatsa, Kotakal Siva Raman, that was the Mohiniyattam. Lakshmi Vishwanathan, that was Manipuri, and the Madhbai Devi in the Bharatanatyam. Medbai Devi in the Bharatanatyam, and Kalam Dal Keshmati, that was Keshmati. She was in the Kathakali. So these names are quite difficult, but just to be see once. And whenever you see the magazines in that, they also come. Which of the following pairs correctly mates? So the Kushana and Kushana was given the Gandhara School of Art. Gandhara School of Art. So Gandhara School of Art was the wrongly matched painted grey ware. The painted and grey ware was during the Vedic period, and it was Ajanta painting during the Gupta period, and पहाड़ी पेंटिंग ड्यूरिंग द मुगल पीरियड. मुगल पीरियड में कौन सी है? पहाड़ी पेंटिंग ड्यूरिंग द मुगल पीरियड. Next one is the Lothal, that was dockyard, and Kalibanga, that was fluff filled. Dholavira, the inscription of the 10 large size Harappan script, and Banawali terracotta of the fluff. तो फ्लफ तो कहाँ पर मिला था? बनावली में मिला था, बनावली में. ठीक है. लोथल में क्या मिला था हमें? डॉकयार्ड and the Kalibanga, that was fluff filled. So fluffed filled जो मिला है वो कहाँ? कालीबंगा में. एंड धोलावीरा में मिला है 10 लार्ज साइज के स्क्रिप्ट. जो स्क्रिप्ट मिली है 10 स्क्रिप्ट, वो कहाँ मिली है? धोलावीरा में. Which is the following is not correct? The statue of the Gautameshwar Belagola represent the last Tirthankar of the Jain. No, it was represented the first Tirthankar, and the name was the Rishabdev. Okay, so the Gautameshwar Belagola was the Tirthankar, that was the Rishabdev, and the India largest Buddhist monastery in the Arunachal Pradesh. The Khajuraho temple was in the Chandela ruler, and the Hoysaleshwar was dedicated to the Shiva. Hoysaleshwar was dedicated to the Shiva. Who among the following first भक्ति sent to the Hindi for the propagation of the message? So हिंदी को सबसे पहले किसने यूज में किया था for the propagation of the messages? That was the Ramananda. So Ramananda was the in the 14th century he started this. Ancient Buddhist monastery, the ceremony called the Pavaran. That was confection of the monk. Confection of the monks, their offences, and committed during monasteries. They committed during the monasteries. Okay, they committed during the monasteries. Now next one is, which is the ancient Indian play Mudra Rakshak has been subject on the court intrigue to the time of Chandragupta. Court intrigue time of Chandragupta, and it was the ancient Mudra Rakshas. Okay. Now next, it was written by the Vishak Dutt. Who wrote? Vishak Dutt wrote this book. Now Chapchar Kut festival was celebrated. It was in the Mizoram. It was celebrated in the Mizoram. Spring festival. It is a spring festival, and the Jhum cultivation was they are the Jhum cultivation, and that's why spring festival they celebrate in this. The Michikatika, that was a love story of the rich merchant and the daughter of the court scene. So Michikatikam was the Shudrak written, and there was a love story, central story of the noble Brahman, and fall into love with the wealthy Vasant Sena. Now Kitab-e-Noor, a collection of the song of the Hindu deity, and Amir Khusro was the originator of the Qawwali. So both are true. The Kitab-e-Noor, that was the Ibrahim Adil Shah, and the Amir Khusro was the propounder of the Qawwali. Next, which is the following not correct? So the Ali Mardan was introduced a system of revenue farming in the Bengal. So that is not Ali Mardan, was not Ali Mardan Khan who introduced the system of the revenue in Bengal. Dilip Kaur. So Dilip Kaur Dilip Kaur was famous for the literature. He was famous for the literature. Okay, which is the following of the Veda contain the account of magic and charms, and he was the Atharvaveda. Atharvaveda was for the magic and the charms. The Archaeological Survey of India. The Archaeological Survey of India attached to the Department of Culture. Department of Culture. So this archaeological survey function attached to department protecting to the monuments को. So monuments should be protected. Okay, and this is setting up the epigraphical research and three centrally protected monument, national monument. Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar was founded the Bethune School. Ishwar Chand and Vidyasagar. He was for the Bethune School. He was established the Bethune School, and the encouraging education for the women. They encouraged the education for the women, and the Bankim Chand Chattopadhyay, graduate from Calcutta University, and Keshav Chandra Singh campaign against the sati was the enactment of the law. So only two are the correct here. First was the Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar and Bethune School, and they encouraged the women education. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee was not in this Calcutta. Okay. Now consider the following of the monuments. Next question है चंपानेर पावागढ़ आर्कोलॉजिकल पार्क. तो यहाँ पे वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट है यूनेस्को की. एक तो है चंपानेर एंड पावागढ़. तो ये है. फिर है छत्रपति शिवाजी टर्मिनस, ये भी है. फिर है सन टेम्पल ऑफ द कोणार्क, ये भी है. ठीक है. तो 154 नेचुरल, 23 मिक्स, 788 प्रॉपर्टीज इन टोटल. Now the Allahabad pillar that was associated with the Samundragupta. So Allahabad pillar, it was associated with the Samundragupta, and this is belongs to the originally to the Ashoka, and 4th century, and name was the Harisena and his southern campaign. Now Abdul Hamid Lahori, an official historian of the reign of Shah Jahan. So Hamid and Lahori, and it was known from the reign of Shah Jahan, and that was the Abdul Hamid and Lahori. In Indian history, who is the Abdul Hamid Lahori that was reign of Shah Jahan में था. Indian initially designed the construction of the massive temple took up Suryavarman II. So he was Angkor Wat temple, that was Suryavarman and second. First Hindu temple, later on the Buddhist, and temple was top high classical style. It is Khmer style, and it was in Cambodia. It is in the Cambodia, and Khmer style architecture is there. Now the Dankar monastery. Dankar is in the Himachal Pradesh, and Kai monastery in the Himachal Pradesh. So Dankar and Kai, they both are in the Himachal Pradesh. Roomtek is the Sikkim. It is in the Sikkim, and Tabo monastery is also in the Himachal Pradesh. Which is the following here is the correct Vikramshila monastery. So that was Amravati. Buddhist stupa, that was the Andhra Pradesh. Amravati in the Andhra Pradesh. And next one is Vikramshila, that was in the Bihar. So Vikramshila, it is in the Bihar. And Hemkund Gurudwara, it is in Uttarakhand. And Udaygiri in the Madhya Pradesh. It is in the Madhya Pradesh. And Amravati, that was in Andhra Pradesh. Amravati in the Andhra Pradesh. Who among the following Hindustani classical singer, that was Gangubai and Hangal, and she is a classical singer. The Sangeet Natak Academy for the Lifetime Achievement was the Chandralekha. So Chandralekha, she got the Sangeet Natak Academy Award, and that was in the 2005. Now the Shishupal Vad, that was in the Odisha. Shishupal Vad, that was in the Odisha. Pipraha, that was in the Uttar Pradesh. Pipraha, that was in the Uttar Pradesh. And Golpara, that was in Assam. Golpara, and that is in the Assam. And the Bishnupur, it is in the Manipur. Bishnupur, it is in the Manipur. Bishnupur in the Manipur. Next, who is the following book story? The integration of Indian state. The integration of Indian state. So this book was written by the V.P. Menon. So this was the book played the vital role in the partition of the India, and it was the appointment of the V.P. Menon, the story integration of Indian state. Who among the following was the Bahu Vivah? Bahu Vivah. So Bahu Vivah was the Ravindranath Tagore. Ravindranath and Tagore, he brought this book Bahu Vivah in 19th century. Domination of the pastry and against the child marriage. The Amar Sonar Bangla, it was the Ravindranath Tagore. Ravindranath and Tagore. So Amar Sonar Bangla and the Jallianwala Massacre, he renounced the knighthood. And Sandhya Sangeet, Prabhat Sangeet, Kariyo Kamal, that was the early poetic work. Gitanjali, that won the Nobel Peace Prize. Gitanjali. So Gitanjali, it won the Nobel Peace Prize. The Vijay Vitthal Temple, it was in Hampi, and Hampi में क्या है? Vijay Vitthal Temple. Vijay Vitthal Temple. Vijay Vitthal Temple, and that was the Vijayanagar. And the Krishna Dev Rai was regarded the greatest all the Vijayanagar. So Krishna Dev Rai was the famous for this, and that was the Vijay Vitthal Temple in the Hampi. Who among the following was the newspaper Shoma Prakash? That was Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. Shoma Prakash newspaper, and it was written by the Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. So that was the Dwarkanath Vidya Bhushan, and published by the Dwarkanath Vidya Bhushan. And Som Prakash newspaper was published by the Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. In the Bengali, it was Dwarkanath Vidya Bhushan. So Vidyasagar was contributed to the many sides, reform movements and polygamy के against में, child marriage के against में, ठीक है. So he worked a lot against the superstitious conditions of the India. Next is the Bhajan Sapori, and that was the exponent of Santur. Birju Maharaj, it was the Kathak. Birju Maharaj, and it was the founder of the Kathak. And Priyadarshini Govinda, she was from the Bharatanatyam. Priyadarshini, okay. Now the Bhajan Sapori हो गया सारा, ठीक है. And Bankim Chattopadhyay, that was Devi Chaudhary. And दीनबंधु मित्रा, नील दर्पण. एंड प्रेमचंद ने क्या लिखा था? शतरंज के खिलाड़ी. प्रेमचंद, इन्होंने लिखा था शतरंज के खिलाड़ी. Now next one is who is the following is wrote the poem of Subh-e-Azadi, that was Faiz Ahmad Faiz. Faiz Ahmad and Faiz. Subh-e-Azadi. And he was considered the 4-time Nobel Prize. 4 बार इसको क्या मिला था? नोबेल प्राइज मिला था. 4 टाइम ऑफ द नोबेल प्राइज. एंड ये थे हमारे फैज अहमद एंड फैज. ओके, सो दिस वाज जिंदानामा दास्ताए संग Which is the following general birth the Abdul Kalam Azad? So it was the Al Hilal. Al Hilal was birth the Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam. Near the following city, Palitana temple, it was in Bhavnagar. So Palitana in the Bhavnagar. Palitana temple, it is in the Bhavnagar. Okay, now next one is the Bhimavati Devi is a well-known dancer of that was Manipur. So Bhimavati Devi, and she is the famous dancer of the Manipuri. So she was the famous dancer of the Manipuri. And Vaisheshik faith and the Rasa dancer Vaishnava faith was there. So Manipuri dance Guru Vipin Singh, Kalavati, many all. Recently the manuscript UNESCO Memory World Register ऋग्वेदा को इसमें रखा गया वर्ल्ड रजिस्टर ऑफ इंटरनेशनल इनिशिएटिव में. This is holding in the library collections and that was International Advisory Committee for the UNESCO. The Ibrahim Al-Kaji, Ibrahim Al-Kaji was given the theatre training. Ibrahim Al-Kaji was famous for the theatre director and the premier theatre training. This Tughlaq Mohan Rakesh and the 8th Din, that was the Bharti and the Annavyu. What is the following of the Dharma Chakra national flag? That was a 24 spikes. 24 spikes are there in the Dharma Chakra. Okay. 2 is to 3 is in blue color, navy blue color wheel. Navy blue wheels were there. And there are Sarnath Lions capital Ashoka. And Sarnath का Lion capital Abacus भी यूज में लिया गया है. Represent the wheel, that was a chakra. There are the only two known example of cave painting. So that was Ajanta. And where the surviving example of Gupta painting. तो अगर गुप्ता पेंटिंग में सर्वाइवल कहाँ पर दिखाया गया है, so that was the बाघ पेंटिंग. So it is in the Madhya Pradesh and the ऋतु संहारा of the कालिदासा. So ऋतु संहारा में इसका जिक्र किया गया है. And that was Nasik cave were built up of the Gupta period. Ellora cave were built up after the Gupta period. ठीक है, तो ये बाघ पेंटिंग है यहाँ पे. इन द कोलिब्रेशन ऑफ द डेविड हरे अलेक्जेंडर डफ द फॉलोइंग वाज हिंदू कॉलेज कलकत्ता. किसने स्टेब्लिश किया था? राजा राम मोहन रॉय ने. सो राजा राम मोहन रॉय ने क्या किया था? हिंदू कॉलेज ऑफ कलकत्ता. हिंदू कॉलेज ऑफ कलकत्ता ये इसने क्या किया था? स्टेब्लिश किया था. गटका ट्रेडिशन आर्ट. गटका इज इन द पंजाब and the Madhubani is in Bihar and the Singri of the Sindhu Darshan, that was Jammu and the Kashmir. Anekantvad, that was the Jainism. Anekantvad and it was the Jainism and that was meaning of the father of king of the Bharta and the Chakravarti emperor of the India. Jainism become to be this Vardhaman Mahavir 24th Tirthankar and it was the Vardhaman Mahavir. Okay. Now, where is the famous Virupaksha temple? That was in the Hampi. And Virupaksha temple, it was in the Hampi and that was the Raichur of the Bijapur. And Portuguese governor Albrecht gave the permission to the building. Hampi Virupaksha temple was the Krishnadev Rai and that was the Tullu dynasty. Who is the following is the author of the collection of the Golden Threshold? Author of the Golden Threshold. Author of the Golden Threshold and that was the Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu. Okay, Sarojini Naidu. So this Golden Threshold poems, these are the poems, and that was from the Sarojini Naidu. It is a gifted poem of the English language and the Nightingale of the India. She known as the Nightingale of the India. So Golden Threshold. Okay. Now the Amrita Shergill painter, Bhimsen Joshi it was singer, Rukmani Devi is the dancer, and the Surya Kant Tripathi that was the poet. Now with the Vidya Shankar temple that was in Karnataka. So Vidya Shankar temple it is in the Karnataka, and Raja Rani temple that was in the Odisha, Raja Rani, and Bhimeshwar temple in the Andhra Pradesh. It was the Bhimeshwar temple. The Umakant and Ramakant they are Drupad vocalists. Drupad, Umakant and Ramakant. Umakant and Ramakant and they are Drupad. Consider about the famous names. So first was the Amrita Shergill, then Bhattacharjee and Bandir and the Subodh Gupta. Now next one is the National School of Drama was set up. The Sangeet Academy, National School of the Drama that was 1959. The highest honor of the Sahitya Academy was given to this fellow. Okay, now next one is the Mataka Abhisheka, Mastaka Abhigesha, that was the Bahubali. So Bahubali, in this time there was a Mastaka Abhisheka. Okay, and that was Shravanbel Gola, Karnataka. Gotmeshwar Bahubali is the height was 18 meter, and Mastaka Abhilesha ceremony that was in the 2006 it was celebrated. Image of the Buddhist Tabo Monastery. So Tabo Monastery is in the Himachal Pradesh. Among the following not proponent of the Bhakti cult, so Tyagraj, he was not proponent of the Bhakti cult, but Nagarjun Tukaraman Vallabhacharya was the proponent of this one. Regarding the Indus Valley civilization, so Indus Valley, first it was prominently secular civilization, and that was did not dominance of the scene. Religious element का dominance नहीं था. During this period, cotton was used in manufacturing textiles, so both are true. Now dharma and ritta. Dharma is a conception of the obligation discharge of the duty. So dharma is the obligation to discharge of the duties, and ritta is the moral law. Ritta is a moral laws. Okay. So these two things. Jain philosophy hold that the world is created as a maintained by universal law. So Jaina philosophy was the world is what? World is based upon the universal laws. Now which is the Brahma Samaj? So Brahma Samaj it was opposed the idolatry, yes. It denied the need of the priestly class, yes, and it popularized the doctrine of Veda is infallible. So that is not true. It is also fallible. So Vedas are the fallible. During the Indian freedom struggle, National Social Conference was formed. So Indian National Congress did not included social reform in the deliberation of the decided from the separate body of the purpose. Now next one is the Nagra, Dravida and the Vesara. So they are the temple architecture of the okay. The Drupad, what is the Drupad? So Drupad originated is a developed Rajput kingdom, and that is not true. It is the Hindu period. It is Drupad was in the Hindu period, not the Muslim period. And Drupad primarily devotion of the spiritual music, and Drupad is used the Sanskrit as a syllabus. How do you between Kuchipudi Bharatanatyam? So dancer occasionally speaking dialogue in the Kuchipudi, that is true, and dancing on the brass plate, that was also the feature of the Kuchipudi, not the Bharatanatyam. Now which is the following is rock cut architecture. So rock cut architecture it is the oldest one. Okay. So that is rocket architecture was Badami. It is not Badami cave actually. Badami cave में नहीं है ये. So it is Barabar rocket cave where the originally met the Ajivika emperor of Chandragupta Maurya. That is also not true. Ellora cave was made up of different faith. So Ellora was the different faith. The following of the historical place first was Ajanta and Lepakshi. Ajanta and Lepakshi. So this is the following are the known as the mural painting. Mural painting and Sachi was not there. Sachi was not there. With reference to the philosophical thought of India, Sankhya not accepted the theory of rebirth. That is not true. Sankhya hold the self-knowledge. Sankhya was not accept the rebirth. Rebirth को accept नहीं करता है. That is not true. But Sankhya hold the self-knowledge. Self-knowledge. So this is all about the ancient. Now Tribanga. So Tribanga is the one leg is bent slightly but oppositely curved the waist and neck. That is the Tribanga, and Tribanga is on the Odissi dance. ओडिशा डांस में होता है ये, ठीक है. नाउ द चाइनीज ट्रेवलर युआन चांग आया था. युआन चांग ने क्या किया था, रोड्स एंड रिवर रूट्स वर कंप्लीटली इम्यून फ्रॉम रॉबरी. दैट इज नॉट ट्रू. रॉबरी होती थी वहाँ. एज ए रिगार्ड द पनिशमेंट ऑफ द ऑफेंस वाज फायर, वाटर एंड पॉइजन, and according to the guilt of the person and tradesmen set the pay duty of the ferries and the burial station. Which is the following was the Indus civilization. So Indus civilization was great palace and temple. वहाँ temple थे ही नहीं. They worship both male and female deity. ये सच है. They employed the horse-drawn chariots. So ये भी सही नहीं है. ठीक है. Now some Buddhist rock-cut caves of the चैत्यास and विहारा. तो चैत्या तो वो प्लेस होते हैं जहाँ पर क्या करते हैं हम वर्शिप करते हैं, चैत्या. एंड विहारा इज द ड्वेलिंग प्लेस ऑफ द बुद्धिस्ट मॉन्क. नाउ टाबो मोनेस्ट्री कहाँ पर है? टाबो मोनेस्ट्री इन द स्पीति वैली. टाबो इन द स्पीति वैली. एंड द लोथसावा इन द अरुणाचल प्रदेश. लोथसावा इन द अरुणाचल प्रदेश. एंड आल्ची इट इज इन द लद्दाख. आल्ची इट इज इन द लद्दाख. Bijak is a composition of the teaching of the Kabir, and the philosophy of the Pushti Marg was propounded by the Vallabhacharya. Known the people of the Mangniyar. Mangniyar is a musical tradition of the northwest. North और west में जो Mangniyar community हैं, they are the Mangniyar communities. और they are the musical instrument बजाते हैं ये लोग, ठीक है. एंड इसके feudal lords, landlords होते थे पहले. The Panchayatan refer to the style of temple construction. Panchayatan, it is the temple construction. Which is the Kallariyappu. Kallariyappu is the ancient martial art. So Kallariyappu, it is the martial art. Martial art. Satriya is combined music, dance and drama. It is the century-old tradition of the Assam. It is based on the classical raga and the tala. That is not true. Now next, Garba in the Gujarat, Mohiniyattam in the Kerala, and Yakshagan, that is in the Karnataka. Next one is a grand image. A grand image of the Buddha Mahaparinirvana that was in the Ajanta. परिनिर्वाणा की जो इमेज है that was in the Ajanta. परिनिर्वाणा. Okay, and a huge image of the Varaha avatar that was Mount Abu. That is not true. That was in the Hampi. The huge of the Varaha avatar. Varaha avatar. And Arjun Pinance, that was Mamalapuram. Mamalapuram, and there was the Arjun Pinance. Ibadat Khana, it is a whole of the Akbar held discussion with scholar for the various religious matters. So religious matter के लिए जब अकबर इबादत खाना बुलाता था, इबादत खाना. Now next one is Gujarati, Kannada and Telugu. These are the classical languages. Okay, so there is a Kannada and Telugu. Gujarati is not the classical. Kalamkari, it's a hand painted portal. Kalamkari क्या है? Kalamkari is a hand painted कॉटन होता है, हैंड पेंटेड. और क्या होता है? ये कॉटन टेक्सटाइल है, ये है कॉटन टेक्सटाइल. ठीक है. नाउ विच इज द ज्योग्राफिकल इंडिकेशन स्टेटस? दैट वाज द बनारस एंड तिरुपति लड्डू. राजस्थानी दाल बाटी चूरमा को अभी जीआई नहीं मिला है. ठीक है, अभी मिल गया हो तो वापस देखना पड़ेगा, शायद मिला भी हो. नेक्स्ट वन इज दिस श्री शैलम. श्री शैलम, इट वाज इन द नल्लामल्ला हिल, Omkareshwar in the Mahadev hill, and Pushkar in the Omkareshwar in the Satpura hill, Omkareshwar in the Satpura hill, and Mahadev hill in the Madhya Pradesh, and the Jagat Pita Brahma Mandir, that was the Hindu god Brahma, and it was in the Pushkar. Okay. With reference to the art archaeological history of India, which is the following is the made earliest. So सबसे पहले कौन सी बनी थी? It was a rock cut elephant of the Doli. तो डोली में रॉक कट एलिफेंट है, रॉक कट एलिफेंट. ये पहले बनी थी लिंगराज और रॉक कट मॉन्यूमेंट्स ऑफ महाबलीपुरम और द वराह टेम्पल ऑफ द उदयगिरी से भी. इन द पर्टिकुलर region, the local people trained roots leaving trees into the robust bridge, and that was the मेघालय. मेघालय में क्या है? लिविंग रूट ब्रिज बनाए जा रहे हैं, लिविंग रूट ब्रिज that are in the Meghalaya, living root bridge that was in the Meghalaya. Now next one is which of the following was given the classical language status? तो यहाँ पर ओडिया को अभी मिला है, ओडिया को मिला है 97 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट से. तो तमिल को मिल चुका था, संस्कृत है, फिर तेलुगु है, कन्नड़ है, मलयालम एंड ओडिया को 2014 में मिला है. ठीक है. Now reference to the history of India, the concept of Bodhisattva centered in the Mahayana. Okay, it is Bodhisattva centered in the Mahayana, and the Bodhisattva is the compassionate one, his way to enlightenment. अगर कोई enlightenment चाहता है और compassionate है, that is Bodhisattva. Bodhisattva is the delay achieving his own salvation, help the sentient being other to path to it. With reference to the history of India, the memorizing the chronicle dynastic history, epic tale. Epic tale is in the Magadha. So मगध में क्या हुआ था? एपिक टेल. So that was the chronic dynastic history for the different group of the people. Magad was during a stage and the collecting information about the task assigned to the Magadha and who was the descendant of the priestly families. Now which is the following Ajanta and Mahabalipuram? So both have the rock cut monuments and both have the same period. That is not true. Ajanta अलग period का है and Mahabalipuram is a different. Both have the same religious denomination. That is also not true. अजंता तो Buddhist, Jainism और ब्राह्मण तीनों कल्ट के हैं. Mahabalipuram जो है that was the rock cut architecture also and it was for the Shiva. Now which is the Manipuri Sankirtan? सो इट इज डांस होता है इसमें मणिपुरी में. ठीक है, मणिपुरी में क्या होता है? संकीर्तन होता है, संकीर्तन, एंड देयर इज ए डांस. ठीक है, एंड द सिंबल इज ए ओनली इंस्ट्रूमेंट. सिंबल नहीं होता है, इसके साथ मृदंगम, ड्रम भी होता है. इट इज परफॉर्म नरेटिंग टू द लॉर्ड कृष्णा की स्टोरी. नरेशन से ये नरेशन ऑफ द लॉर्ड कृष्णा. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज द पेंटिंग ऑफ द बोधिसत्वा दैट वाज इन द अजंता. बोधिसत्वा पद्मपाणि Avalokeshwar that was in the Ajanta. Bodhisattva and Padmapani. Now Chaliha Saiva that was Sindhis मनाते हैं and which is the following famous for Sun Temple. So Arasawali भी Sun Temple है. Omkar Amarkantak and the Omkareshwar is a Shiv temple, but Arsawali is a Jain temple. Arsawali, it is a Jain temple. Arsawali, and that was a village sun god temple है Sri Kakulam district and in the Andhra Pradesh. In the Andhra Pradesh, according to the Padam Purana, sage Kashyap installed the idol of the Surya. Amarkantak जो है ancient temple of the great tradition value in the Chhattisgarh, and that was the Narmadeshwar temple. Namda Devi and Omkareshwar Jyotirling है 12, that was in the Shiva. It is in the Mandada Shivpuri of the Namda river के आसपास ही है ये भी. ठीक है. So this is finished today all history. हिस्ट्री के जितने भी MCQs हैं एक बार हमने करवा दिए हैं, एंड नाउ यू जस्ट रिकॉल दिस अगेन एंड अगेन.